Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my daily Forex analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro, USD, British Pound, Japanese Yen and USD, Canadian Dollar. Okay, and this analysis is for 26 Feb 2021. Friday only. I'll be coming down on Monday again with Monday's analysis, but this analysis is for today only, Friday. Okay, so let's jump into the screen and we can see that after a big fall, USD has recovered, and just look at the buying pressure. Okay, just look at the size of the candles. Okay, so but right now market is trading, though it is trading at 1.265 but this is not the ideal position to buy. Our risk to reward ratio will not match. uh, See, I always focus on risk to reward ratio because it is very essential for every trader to maintain some discipline. Without discipline we cannot protect our capital, and as I always say, and without capital how can we earn money? So it is the first and foremost duty of every trader to protect his capital by maintaining some discipline. Okay, so you can go ahead and place a buy order right now, but it will be against your discipline, because if you place a buy order you'll be placing your SL somewhere around here. Okay, and your and see, and from this region market is having some resistance, so your take profit is smaller than SL. Okay, so in this type of scenario you should avoid the trade. So what you should do now, you should wait for the price to hit this level. Okay, let the market go up and hit this level. uh, you can see that the market tried to go up many times. Okay, but market failed to cross this level. Okay, this box 1.2713 to 1.2748. This level is acting as a good resistance for the market. So you should wait for the market to climb up, and when market will hit this price zone, okay, then you just observe how market is reacting. Okay, if market successfully crosses this resistance zone, then let market trade above this zone, or let the market stay above this zone comfortably for at least 1 hour. Okay, then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. Otherwise it won't be wise. Okay, let the market stay above the resistance, let the resistance become the support, then only it will be a good order. It is very essential for traders to maintain the discipline. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only it will be a good trade. And in case market reaches this price zone and falls, okay, reverses from here, then if you see some big fat candles, red candles, then also you can short the market. But volume is necessary. Just make sure that if you're going for a short trade, just look at the volume. If selling pressure is high, then only you should go ahead and short the market. Otherwise, for USD-CAD, this zone is very essential. Okay, to buy, to go for buy order, market should cross this level, then only it will be a favorable position to place the buy order. Right now risk to reward ratio will not match. Our stop loss is bigger than the take profit. So it is not at all a good trade right now. Okay, hopefully you'll have understood my point, and this is the analysis for today only. Okay, we'll see how the market reacts on Monday. So that's it for today, and hopefully you'll have understood. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis on all the important forex pairs. You can also check my website also to know more about me. The link is in the description. And please subscribe my channel for daily market analysis. Thank you so much. And please like the video.